What's going on, everybody? It's Tim, and I want to look over SHIB real quick. It's definitely got a lot of patterns that you need to look out for. It is reaching a potential downtrend reversal, just like Bitcoin is. And we're going to look over each, and I'm going to give you some areas to look out for and some potential patterns to watch. So let's get it going. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you like these short videos. So first off, looking at Shiba Inu here, you'll see that over the last 3 days we have been forming this pennant. So look for a breakout in either direction. And zooming out, you'll see that after we hit our peak in late October of 2021, Shiba Inu has been continuing down. It tested this pattern just a few times and then broke out of it. Now you'll notice that right at this point, it has been starting this slow uptrend. And glancing over to this green trend line, you'll see a similar thing. We've bounced off this a bunch of times and we have the potential to break out here towards the end of September, just like with Bitcoin, and I'll show you that in a second. But ever since mid-June, Shiba Inu has been slowly uptrending, and you can tell that traders are watching these patterns. Look at that nice breakout we had. So I do expect as we get towards the end of September, we could see a test, a retracement, and then a potential breakout or a breakdown. So you're definitely going to want to keep an eye on this trend. And as I'm uploading this, it's already coming towards this level to potentially test it, at least for the short-term trend. And that's this little one here. So keep an eye on this smaller trend. If we break out of this, we're probably going to test this larger trend, come down, retest it, and possibly break out towards the end of September. So I will be watching Shiba Inu for a breakout, and I will likely be playing the breakout trade. I do still have a small position of this. I'm talking 1 to 2% of my portfolio, and it's likely very much smaller than that since it's dropped so much. Just remember that these cryptos are definitely high risk, but also high reward. Now looking at Bitcoin, I'm zoomed quite in a bit. You'll see that today we've been trying to test new recent highs. We just recently had another attempt only an hour ago as of this upload, and it didn't break out. We could be looking at a potential double top here, and we may be due to trace some lower levels. And just looking at it, you can see that we have had a huge run, and I honestly doubt it can be sustained. I think it does have to pull back, at least test some lower levels before pushing further. I do think it's working towards its downtrend, and it's going to test it. Just like Shiba Inu, you know, towards the end of September, we are potentially looking at a breakout. But if it fails and starts falling down, just know that we're very, very likely to test these lower levels, test these lows even, the very low, the 17,000. And if that happens for Bitcoin, we can assume that most all other cryptos will suffer as well. However, in the end, I do think we're going to get out of this crypto winter, and we are getting closer and closer and closer to the next halving before we're only a year away and people start talking about it more. Sometimes I feel like I'm the only one. But thanks so much for watching, guys. How do you feel about Shiba Inu? How do you feel about Bitcoin? Where do you think we're going to go on the short term and on the long term? Thanks so much for watching, and take it easy.